हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आज आपको बीसीए सेमेस्टर फर्स्ट के इंग्लिश का पोइट्री सेक्शन कराऊंगा। जिस बुक्स का नाम है कलर्स ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, कंपाइल्ड बाय हरभजन सिंह। आज हम करेंगे पोइट्री का फर्स्ट चैप्टर शाई नो मोर लेडीज़ बाय विलियम शेक्सपियर। चलो दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले हम उसके राइटर से स्टार्ट करते हैं, पोइट से। William Shakespeare was born in 1564 to 1660, was at Stratford on Avon in an ordinary family. He is one of the world's greatest dramatists and is remembered not only for the large number of plays he wrote but also for his deep understanding of human nature. He wrote histories, comedies, and tragedies. The strength of his plays partly lies in his poetry. He also wrote a number of sonnets and perfected this form used earlier by Sir Thomas Ware and the Earl of Surrey. This song has been taken from one of his comedies, Much Ado About Nothing. Balthazar, who is a nobleman, is the singer of this song. Its appeal lies in its freshness and spontaneity. The theme of the song is not the inconstancy of women, but those of men. The singer advises women not to shed tears in vain at the loss of our lovers. He tells them their sorrow will not bring back his love. So why not be practical and reconcile themselves to the loss of an unfaithful person who is perhaps not worth having? It is a song accompanied by music and the refrain is the same in both the stanzas. Few words meanings हैं: blithe, cheerful; bonny, beautiful; woo, misery; ditty, songs; more, dumps, gloominess of mind; leafy, full of leaves. चलो दोस्तों हम स्टार्ट करते हैं पोइट्री शाई नो मोर लेडीज़ बाय विलियम शेक्सपियर। शाई नो मोर लेडीज़ Shy no more, ladies, shy no more. Men were deceivers ever, one foot in sea and one on shore. To one thing constant never, then shy not so, but let them go. And be you blithe and bonny, converting all your sounds of woo into hey nonny nonny. दोस्तों इन फर्स्ट पार्ट में पोइट ये कह रहा है कि The singer of song advises women to be wise and practical. They must not be shedding tears for the lover who proves to be false and fickle-minded. What is the use of shedding tears of person who has one foot in sea and the other on shore? Why the bother for a person who loves one and marry another? Rather, this kind of person should be shown the door of hell. They should feel cheerful by getting rid of him. No sadness should spoil their beauty. Shy no more ditties, sing no more. Of dumps so dull and heavy, the fraud of man was ever so, since summer first was leafy. Then shy not so, but let them go. And be you blithe and bonny, converting all your sounds of woo into hey nonny nonny. In these lines, the singer of the song strongly advises the ladies that they are not at fault if their lovers prove to be false and insincere. They should not remain dull and desolate for the faults of other. He declares the fraud is a trait of blood of man. They have been insincere, false, and fickle as trees are always full of leaves in summer. Why should a lady remain sad and spoil her beauty for a lover who has one foot in sea and the other on the shore. In such a case, they have reason to be cheerful as they get rid of a false and fickle lovers. They should not bother about deceitful man. Generally, women are blamed for their false and fickle traits, but in this poem, men have been blamed for such bad qualities. Therefore, women should not carry the heavy burden of sorrow and sadness on their minds. Thank you, दोस्तों.